In this demonstration, we'll guide you through the process of adding watermarks to PDFs and storing them in an S3 bucket with ease, using PDF.co, Honeycode and Zapier. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more information. We will use this sample PDF document to add watermark and save to S3 bucket with Honeycode. So let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click the Create Zap button. Next, search and select the Google Drive app. You can also use other cloud storage services to store your PDF files and automatically add watermarks to them. And choose the new file in folder as a trigger. Let's set up the trigger. First, select My Google Drive as the drive to be used. Next, select the specific folder where the file was stored. Let's test the trigger to make sure that we set it up correctly. Once the test trigger was successful, you may now add another app to add watermark in a PDF document. In this step, let's add the PDF.co app. And choose the PDF filler to add watermarks to PDF document. Let's set up the configuration. First, select the web content link from Google Drive where your PDF file is located. Next, navigate to the Text Objects field, and input the desired X and Y coordinates where you want to add the watermark. You can use the PDF.co PDF Viewer tool to easily get the coordinates of the document. We provide a link in the description box below. And specify the range of PDF pages to which you want to add a watermark, and ensure that you input the watermark text along with the preferred font size, font name, and font color. Lastly, enter the name of your desired output file. After setting up the configuration, let's test the action to ensure that the watermark is added in a PDF document. The test was successful and the watermark is added to PDF document. You may copy the URL and paste in your browser to view the output. Here's the PDF document that we successfully added a watermark. Now, let's proceed to the next step and add the Honeycode app. And choose the Add Row action to add a new row to your Honeycode table containing the watermarked PDF file. Let's set up the Honeycode. First, let's start by selecting the desired workbook. Next, choose the table where you want to store the watermarked PDF file. In your Honeycode workbook, you can create various fields such as file name, PDF file, date, contact, and description by selecting from the available options. However, in this scenario, the most important field is the one that will store the PDF file after adding a watermark. Once you have set up the Honeycode app and configured the fields to store the watermarked PDF file, you can test the action by triggering the Zap. Honeycode was able to successfully add a new row to the designated workbook table and store the watermarked PDF file in the specified field. We can now add another app and upload the file to the S3 bucket. In this step, we will add the Amazon S3 app in Zapier. And select the Upload File option to upload and save the watermarked PDF file to the S3 bucket. Now, let's set up the Amazon S3 app. First, specify the name of your S3 bucket. Next, set the file name object that will be created in a specified bucket. Then, select the PDF file that is stored in your Honeycode table. Finally, add the specified file type of your document. Once the configuration is set up, test the action to ensure that the watermarked PDF file is successfully saved in the S3 bucket. The test was completed successfully, and the PDF file was uploaded to the designated S3 bucket. Let's check the S3 bucket to view the uploaded file. We successfully uploaded the file from a Honeycode workbook table to the S3 bucket, allowing for easy storage, access, and management. To view the file, just simply click the Open button or directly download the file. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching.